Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time at the top. And now, basically, and usually, you will have the time and the time zone set automatically. And because of that, we cannot really do it manually. So first of all, turn off all of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and OK. The same with the time zone. Tap on select time zone, tap on the region, and here you've got the full list of available regions, so just find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Under it, we've got also the dual clock option, so Basically, this feature is based on displaying two different clocks. The first one from with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second from any other place in the world. Just tap on this switcher to turn it on. Got it, and you can choose the second clock. Again, you can choose the region, find it, and it will be set. What is more, you can change the time format at the top. We've got the 24-hour format right now applied. You can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher and immediately apply the 12-hour format. If you'd like to get back to previous settings, so the automatic options, just tap on those switchers right here. And of course, allow the location for the date and time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.